In this video, I'm going to share with you the best online business to start in 2019, especially if you want to make passive income that pays you while you sleep. I'm excited to talk about this, so let's cue the intro and get into it here. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn about that, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And so what is the best online business to start in 2019? I'm going to be honest, I'm a little bit biased here about this, and I'm going to share my opinion with you on that. But to really answer this question, I really want to give you the straight up, honest answer. Because there's all these different business models of different kind of online businesses that you can start. There's Shopify and drop shipping and affiliate marketing and creating your own products and offering coaching and offering services to business owners and all these different business models online that you can use. And the real honest answer is that the best business model to start online to make income is whichever one you're going to stick with long term. That's it. That's the real answer. Is whichever one you will stick with, whichever one you will do, whichever one you will not give up on, that's the one that's the best for you to start. Because all of these business models work, all of them have learning curves, all of them have struggles, all of them have different pros and cons and things that are good and things that are bad about them. Each one is a little bit different in some respects, but all of them work if you put in the work. It's not that the business model doesn't work. It's so often that when people fail, and I know this from my own personal experience because I failed for 10 years to get any kind of traction with any kind of online business. And it's not because the business models I was pursuing didn't work. I did freelancing. I wanted to be a freelance writer at one point. And it's not that freelance writing doesn't work. There are a lot of people who are hugely successful as freelance writers. So it's not that freelance writing doesn't work, or affiliate marketing doesn't work, or drop shipping doesn't work, or whatever doesn't work. In my case, I didn't work. I didn't put in the work. I didn't have the mindset that would allow me to succeed. My mindset was weak. Therefore, I didn't take action. I wasn't consistent. And I didn't get results. So now I'm shifting that. So what I'm doing right now is I'm doing a 120-day YouTube video marketing challenge. So I'm shifting that old habit of not starting or stopping too soon, of not putting in the consistent effort. I'm shifting that now by challenging myself to do this 120-day video challenge. So far, I've missed 2 days of this challenge. So I have missed 2 days, but that's okay because I'm going to get back on my feet. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep pushing through. And at the end of 120 days, I'm still going to have a lot of YouTube videos here on my YouTube channel. And those videos will have the ability to pull in and attract new, audience to me, grow my audience, increase my influence, and get life-changing results. And as you might have guessed, affiliate marketing is the business model that I am partial to. But they all work. But affiliate marketing, here's why I like affiliate marketing. There's no product to create. There's nothing to ship. There's no warehouse. You don't have to do customer service. In a way, you do have to do customer service, but not for the product. The customer service that you do is for your audience. You are serving your audience. So if you're building an audience, say, for example, on YouTube, and you're building an email list, then customer service would be, connecting and talking to your audience and giving your audience value in the content that you create and responding to their questions if they have questions, right? And generally being a helpful person. That's your customer service. But you don't have to actually do customer service for the product. You just refer them to where to look for customer service for the product, right? If you're promoting something and there's a customer service portal for that product, you just refer them over to that. And the other thing that I like about affiliate marketing is that there's a high profit margin. You can promote affiliate products that'll have, 50% commission or even 75% commission, sometimes even 100% commission on some products. So you have that high profit margin that allows you to scale quickly. And this is especially true if you're promoting high ticket affiliate programs or affiliate programs that have a recurring commission. When you have a high ticket, of course, you get paid more, and that means you can scale faster. And when you have recurring commission, that makes it more steady, reliable, and that you can expect a check every month because it's a recurring commission. So if you want to learn how to build passive income online with affiliate marketing, there's a link down below in the video. It's my top recommendation for building passive income online and becoming a super affiliate. So check that link out. And if you like this kind of content, again, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video.